Hi, Group 2 and 3. Here are your spelling words for your test this week. Number 1 is enjoying. I was enjoying the warm weather on my vacation. Enjoying. Number 2 is copying. While you guys were at library, Miss Freeman was copying papers. Copying. Number 3 is enjoyed. I enjoyed picking a new book from the library. Enjoyed. Number 4 is copied. My little brother copied every word I said. Copied. Number 5 is studying. My older sister is studying hard for her spelling test. Studying. Number 6 is studies. Every night the third grader studies their multiplication facts. Studies. Number 7 is stayed. I stayed after school to get some work done. Stayed. Number 8 is stays.
Attention staff and students, the bus has arrived a couple minutes early with students, so we are letting students go to their lockers to get ready for the day. If you're in the building and available, please stand outside in the hallways to monitor our students. Thank you so much.
All right, number 8 is stays. My dog always stays in the yard. Stays. Number 9 is hurried. I woke up late, so I hurried to the bus. Hurried. Number 10 is hurries. Every day, she hurries to eat her breakfast. Hurries. Number 11 is replying. Right now, I am replying to an email. Replying. Number 12, your last word, is a surprise word. Crying. My sister was so sad she couldn't stop crying. Crying.